The problem with governance in Gurgaon is that from the beginning of time, from 1990 when it was the Chautala government which acquired these lands and they sold it to private builders, the Congress for 10 years and the BJP for 12 years. I think the problem is with the people of Gurgaon who choose illiterate, environmentally bankrupt and scientifically zero temperament people. That is the reason why we have the same MPs, whether it's Congress or whether it's BJP, they do nothing for the city. This city is the one that provides so much of money to run the entire Haryana city. And if you find any sinkhole like this in Yamunanagar or Karnal or Rohtak, please let me know. You have all the kachra in Gurgaon, you have all the jal in Gurgaon. We have children not able to reach their schools. And then the anger of the parents is being told to nullify and say, नहीं नहीं ये ना नेहरू जी की गलती है क्योंकि उन्होंने यहाँ पे कुछ किया नहीं. So the problem is the government which is in power today and has been in power for 12 years, has been in power at the center, state and at the municipality level are unfit to do anything. And I think the people should first and foremost remember what happened yesterday, because what happens is in August, the roads flood, there's a lot of anger, there's a lot of real. In October, there's election and the same government is elected again and again, and that is a failure of the people.
Does Gurgaon still have hope?
I definitely believe it has hope because I've been here for 17 years. I have nowhere else to go. I want the city to become better. So first and foremost, the councillors should ensure that there is absolutely proper cleaning of the drains. Existing drains are not filled with plastic, and that should not be done after the rain start. It should be done at least from March onwards, so that we have a functional drainage system in the sectors. Second, in every park, they should create a water body and places where all the water that's coming in from the roads goes inside, doesn't get wasted, and our water level increases. Right. Thirdly, whatever drains that we had existing, the old original drains, they should be reconstructed according to the lay of the land. Wherever there were johars से जहाँ पे lakes थी, वहाँ पे छोटे-छोटे water bodies create करिए, ताकि we are able to save that water as well.
Okay, I have to take a break.
Lastly, please vote differently this time.
Think accountability has to start with the citizens.